Ever pondered how to create a bootable USB for Windows 11 while bypassing TPM? Well, wonder no more. This process might seem daunting, but with a few easy-to-follow steps, it can be accomplished without breaking a sweat. First, gather the essentials. You need a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage and a Windows 11 ISO file. The ISO file is essentially a digital copy of the Windows 11 installation disk. Now let's get started. Plug in your USB flash drive into your computer. Make sure it's empty, as all the data on it will be erased during the process. Next, download the Windows USB DVD download tool from the official Microsoft website. This tool will help us create a bootable USB drive. Once the tool is downloaded, open it and select the ISO file you downloaded earlier. Then choose the USB flash drive you plugged in. Click on the Begin Copying button to start the process. A warning message will appear, informing you that all the data on the USB drive will be deleted. Confirm the action and wait for the tool to finish creating the bootable USB. Once the process is complete, you'll have a bootable USB drive for Windows 11. Now, you can use it to install the operating system on any compatible device. Creating a bootable USB for Windows 11 without TPM might seem complicated, but by following these steps, you can easily bypass the requirement and get your system up and running in no time. So don't let TPM hold you back. Take control of your Windows 11 installation process and enjoy the benefits of this new operating system. Remember to always follow the official guidelines and ensure that you have a legitimate copy of the Windows 11 ISO file. That's it. You're now ready to create a bootable USB for Windows 11 without TPM. Good luck with your installation. Next, download a utility tool called Rufus. This handy little software is free and will help in creating the bootable USB. Install it and open the application. Once Rufus is open, insert the USB into your computer. Rufus should automatically detect it. If it doesn't, manually select the drive. Now, locate the Boot Selection option and select the Disk or ISO Image option. Click on Select and browse to the location of your Windows 11 ISO file. Now comes the part where you bypass the TPM. In the Partition Scheme section, choose MBR, and in the Target System section, choose BIOS. These settings will allow you to install Windows 11 on a system without TPM. After setting everything up, click on Start. Rufus will now create a bootable USB with the Windows 11 ISO file. This process may take some time, so sit back and relax. When Rufus has completed its task, you'll have a bootable USB for Windows 11 that bypasses TPM. But how do you use it? Restart your computer and enter your system's BIOS. Every manufacturer has a different way to access the BIOS, so you might need to consult your manual or do a quick Google search. Once in the BIOS, navigate to the boot order options and set the USB as the primary boot device. Save your changes and exit. Your computer should now boot from the USB. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Windows 11. Remember, you've set the USB to bypass TPM, so don't worry if your system doesn't have TPM. To summarize, creating a bootable USB for Windows 11 that bypasses TPM involves obtaining a Windows 11 ISO file, using Rufus to create the bootable USB, and setting your BIOS to boot from the USB. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to install Windows 11 on a system without TPM. It's as simple as pie, isn't it? So why wait? Get that USB ready and step into the future with Windows 11. And remember, in the world of tech, the only limit is your imagination.